tickets and footy for the sports. Is where their sports is footy, similar to football. So we're gonna stop here. It's the Royal Adelaide Hospital. And then we're gonna stop here in the station. And that's the research center. People are coming in. There's another train that comes in.
Stop is City West, the Uni SA campus, Adelaide Convention Centre, and Health and Biomedical Precinct. Exit on the right in the direction of travel. Priority seats for passengers with a disability or
South Australian Health and Medical Research Institute, that's what it says.
Someone else may need that seat.
And this is their Australian Centre. Adelaide Dental School, Adelaide University, the University of Adelaide, and University of South Australia. Some housing, and we're gonna stop again on City West.
Tram service to Botanic Garden.
This station is going to the Botanic Garden. I'm taking a video outside. Do you mind not sit on that side? I'm just taking a video. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Just don't have me in the video. That's all.
Doors are about to close. Please stand clear. right in the direction of travel.
This other Adelaide Festival Center. Look at that. It's the railway station. Railway station. Adelaide railway station. Adelaide railway station. So many folks
Tram service
getting
to
up,
Botanic
getting up.
Garden.
Please stand clear. The next stop is Art Gallery. Exit on the left in the direction of travel.
Look at those buildings.
For your safety, please hold on at all times while the tram is moving. Allocated spaces must be vacated for passengers with a mobility aid. Look for the signs and choose your space kindly.
See the architecture of that building. It's beautiful. I don't know, is that guy? Another William and picture. Is the art gallery station. That's the state library.
The
Tiffany
next stop
Company
is University. Exit on the
It's,
left in the direction of travel.
Museum.
Priority seats for passengers with a disability or pregnant or less able to stand are located near the doors on trams. Someone else may need that seat more than you do.
It's another shopping mall they have here. We call it Randall Mall. Art Gallery of South Australia. terminus of this tram. University of South Australia. As you can see here, the driving is on the left side. It's totally reverse in USA. Land 40, University Adelaide. With lots of kids. Beautiful building. So this is the Botanic Garden. Is this the last station?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks. Thanks, kid. Wow, beautiful. Ayer house. Botanic Gardens.